big bad English Premier League bullies, Manchester City, have committed over 100 breaches of the EPL's financial fair play rules between 2008 and 2019 and could be facing punishments ranging from a fine to points deduction to expulsion from the league. But me know, and you know, that a fine for Manchester City is foolishness and they will not lose any points and will not get expelled from the league. Although if you ask me, they should. Based on the seriousness of the offences and the wider implications for football fair play, City been doctoring and falsifying information about the club's finances. Even the salaries paid to their managers over the years, they might tell lie about. Yes, all. So they can go around the fair play rules in order to continue to buy whatever expensive players they want to help them dominate the league. City should get dashed from the league for a season or two and lose at least 2 of their league titles won in that same period. But as me said, that will never happen. Manchester City coming like certain people in a Jamaica. Yes, no matter what they do. Leave it right there.